Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the photo into Picsart and preparing a clean base. Tap the plus sign and pick your image, then crop to the intended ratio, 1:1 for square, 16:9 for widescreen. Once done, duplicate the layer so you always have the original as a safety copy. Next, run autofix to normalize exposure. This gives a neutral starting point. Make light adjustments to contrast and saturation now, because small global changes prevent heavy corrections later and keep details intact. Now you do the detailed, targeted edits that make the photo pop. Use selective adjustments to change exposure or color only where needed. This preserves the rest of the image. Add effects on a new layer and dial the opacity to blend. You can mask parts back in or out. For problem spots, switch to clone or heal and work at high zoom, about 200% for clean removal. Make sure to name or group layers so you can toggle visibility and compare before versus after quickly. Finish by applying subtle sharpening and, if needed, a small amount of noise reduction to smooth digital grain. Once satisfied, export at quality 85 to 100% and the correct dimension for your platform. Also save an editable backup if Picsart supports it. If you encounter color shifts or banding, don't panic. Revert the last layer, use the white balance tool, then refine using HSL sliders on a masked area. That troubleshooting approach restores natural tones without losing your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.